how to swap coins in Tangem Wallet. Now, if you want to swap coins in Tangem Wallet, first of all, if I open the official help article from Tangem Wallet themselves, you'll be able to see on how to swap your crypto securely. Now, first of all, there are several ways. There are centralized exchanges, there is decentralized exchanges, and there is blockchain bridges and so on. And there are also cross-chain swaps, which are relatively simple. Now, what you have to do to basically swap is you first open the Tangem app, right? So you can swap one token for another in Tangem. Open the token page, and for example, you can simply select USDT or any of the crypto you wish to swap and then tap on the swap button. Here you can simply enter the asset you want to receive, such as Solana. Then Tangem Express will automatically show you the provider with the best rates. Then simply tap the provider shown to see all providers available and their rates. And if the assets involved in the swap are on the same network, both DEX and CEX providers will appear. And if the transaction is slightly or strictly a cross-chain swap, only the CEX provider will be made available. Then tap on the fee option to choose the network transaction fees. You can choose between market, average fee rate, and fast, more expensive but offers a better transaction speed. Then after that, tap swap and enter your access code or biometric ID. Scan your Tangem card to approve the transaction. You can also tap the status option to track the transaction on the provider's page. This way you will be able to swap coins in Tangem Wallet. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.